Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Mechanic. We have another selection of level 1 fitment products. These are, of course, our easiest to fit category of products. We're going to go through a selection of them. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Heat management is an incredibly critical part of making sure that your forced induction car is producing power as efficiently and effectively as possible. What this is FMTUBL19. It's a turbo blanket or a turbo heat blanket. As the name suggests, what this does is this sits over the hot side of your turbo and is designed to reduce heat radiation from the hot side of the turbo. We obviously spoke in the last video about IATs and the importance of maintaining lower IATs. This helps by obviously helping to reduce ambient air temperatures in the engine bay, reduces heat soak, keeps everything working as optimally as it possibly can. It's made from a very clever combination of materials. So we have a high temp silica inner and a carbon fabric outer. This can actually withstand temperatures of up to 1300 degrees C. Really easy to fit, looks fantastic in the engine bay. We've got a nice little plaque on there as well with the part number and Forge. This is for Suzuki Sport Hybrid, Swift Hybrid, my apologies, Swift Hybrid. We'll put a link in the description. Really good product, easy to fit, looks great. That's FM19. Wheel spacers. These need a little introduction. They are a great way of enhancing the on-road presence of your vehicle. They're actually CNC machined from a single piece of billet, quite literally a few meters behind me here at our manufacturing facility in Gloucester. They are available in a range of different fitments and widths. Huge bang for your buck, really easy to fit, inexpensive, very high quality. Yeah, great visual enhancement. That's wheel spacers. Turbo muffler deletes. These are one of our most commonly searched for products. Effectively, it is a direct replacement for the factory OE turbo muffler. What this does, gives you a little bit of extra turbo noise. Really, really simple, very easy to fit. Makes a big impact in terms of enhancing the sound of your car. Again, CNC machined right here on our Gloucester HQ. Lifetime warranty, as with all the products that we've covered in this series. A really effective, easy to fit and cost-efficient way of enhancing your vehicle. We have a range of different configurations for these. Fit most common Volkswagen Audi Group turbocharged petrol cars, and we also do one for Hyundai i20N as well. Also finished in this lovely anodized black color with a laser-etched Forge logo on the front. Yeah, brilliant product, well worth checking out if you haven't already. That's Turbo Muffler Delete. So there we have it, another selection of level 1 fitment products, our easiest to fit category of products. We have a few fitment tutorials coming up over the next few weeks, so we'll post those in the playlist on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. You can keep up to date with everything and everything else happening at Forge. We really appreciate your support. We'll post links to all of the products that we covered in this video in the description below. Go and check them out. It's been really good. Keep it real. Peace out. See you later.